we're back with another video. I'm so excited to show you guys on the way I like to do my pigtails. So make sure you thumbs this video up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and like this video, like it up. And also make sure to comment your favorite hairstyles you would love for me to do and try. Girl, first thing for everything. So if I try it and if I can do it, you can do it too. Bye. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just making a part. It can be any parts you can do with a pigtail, but I just like doing it on the side because I don't know, it's like the shape of my head, so it looks good that way. And I also put in some leave-in conditioner again just to smooth out. This is on dirty hair, so yeah, you already know I had to like make sure it was kind of smooth. Smooth out your whole thing. Make sure your part is clean if you want it to be clean. I did my part kind of messy because I was like, girl, I am not about to stick with this hair all day. So I did it kind of messy, but either way it works. Then I go into some Shine and Jam, and instead of using rubber bands, I use those bands that are like cloth like, and they don't do anything to your hair, girl. Like, they are good. Make sure to go in with some hard brush and a soft brush right after. Oh, and also I would like to add that everything that I used in this video will be in the description box below. Now, you can see like I had to put the other one up as well, but you just put some Shine and Jam on again and just put it in a pigtail. And I also took like a little bit of hairs too on the side too as well.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch.
Now we're gonna go to the next side and do the same exact thing.
Let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean?
Smooth it out with a hard brush
That's
first.
bitch how you shitting me. If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, blow they need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck.
Take out a little side piece if you would like to do that. You don't have to.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch.
Now you have two ponytails. So now it's on to the braiding hair. So I use the FreeTress Braid 101 braiding hair, and I did the inches of 18 inches. I'm pretty sure it's 18 or 24 because I didn't want it to be long. So now I am not a braider, so hopefully this is kind of in depth of how you braid. It's like a little cornrow, really. And I also use some like bohemian curls for curls in the braids. Now you're going to separate the braid in two. You're going to make sure to tie a rubber band around the part of the hair that is on your ponytail. And you should see how I do it too, because it's pretty self-explanatory if you see it. Then make sure it's secure. And there you have it. So now you are going to just camouflage your hair in it and start braiding down. You're just braiding down with 3 strands of braids on how I do it, and you'll see me. And I also took a piece of hair out to cover the band, the hair. And see, I'm about to braid it down, and I put my real hair underneath the hair. So now, once you do that, you are going to take a piece of the Bohemian curl, it might be Bohemian curl or GOGO curl, and then you're going to put it into your braid. You're going to part it in 2, so it's in one of the parts, 2 of the parts of your hair. So now you are going to take it out, that little strand of the Bohemian curl, since it's now secure in the braid. Put it in your mouth, put it anywhere. So you can take that part out. So you see, I put it in my mouth to make sure it's separated from the braid. Then you take it out, and then there you have it. And then you're going to take the other part of that Bohemian curl, separate it from the braid. And then now you're going to braid it all the way down. And you'll see me do it again on the other side, so I won't talk through there, but you'll see how I do it again in the other side. Now when I got to the bottom, instead of me really just braiding it all the way down, I kind of just tucked it underneath. I took the rubber band and I tucked the hair underneath. You'll see. Took the rubber band. Then I tied up the hair. And now you're gonna see me tuck it in. Like I just flipped the end of the hair underneath. And there you go. Now you just wrap the hair that you left out onto the ponytail. And you don't have to use Got2B glue to do this. To spray that hair, you could use a hairpin, a bobby pin to just do that. So now we're going to the other side, and we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to put the other part, we're going to put the hair like this. You're going to have one at the ponytail and then one on top of your head. So you're going to just separate it apart. And the one that's on the ponytail, you're going to use a ponytail holder to just wrap it. And you see, and just make sure the other part of the hair is separated, and make sure that it's secure. Put that over there, and you're just gonna keep wrapping it. So with this braid, you're going to see that I did mess this one up, but don't do like me. Like I said before, you can just put the hair underneath the braid, but I did kind of mess up because my real hair was showing. So now you're gonna part it in 3 strands, and you're going to put your hair in 3 strands too as well, so it can cover it. And make sure to take a piece of hair out. And just simply braid it. And honestly and truly, I want to add this part in. The reason why I got this hair, and you can do it with expressions too as well, is because this hair is very smooth, and then plus it's tangle free, and I think also it's been like separated, if that makes sense. It might be wrong, but it's really smooth and it's like not tangled up. Expressions does that too as well, so it's really good. But as you can see, I also put a GOGO curl or bohemian curl in the hair just to be in there. And like I said it before, you're going to add it to the braid and secure it, and then that's when you take out one of the side of the curl, put it in your mouth, wherever, and then start braiding again. So that way it gives that curl effect. Then you take that out, and then you're going to put it in your mouth again, and just start regularly braiding it down again. That's really it. And as I stated before, I didn't really braid all the way down. I kind of like just tucked the hair in. So now you're going to take your ponytail holder, and then you're going to just secure the bottom part. And then I'm going to cut that because it was kind of long for me. So now you're just actually going to secure the bottom part, and you flip that end part, and then you put your ponytail holder over it. Look how cute it is. Then now you are going to wrap that piece that you left out around your ponytail.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected.
And then you're going to just use a bobby pin to make sure that it is good. And there you have it. You got your little cute pigtails. And then you're going to cut some of the curls if you don't want it too long. So now I went in with my edges. You do not have to do this part, but I just like a nice good edge. And you just do your edges. I will leave in the description about what edge control I use. That's my fade, which is Ebin. And I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga have emotion, don't make sure the car get hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this service.